Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to generate free text-to-speech voiceovers in PopPopAI. So I'm on the PopPopAI website, and you'll find the link in the description section. So to start off, hover your mouse over Voice Technologies in the top menu, and then choose AI Text-to-Speech. It'll bring you to this page. In this box, type in your text-to-speech text, or just copy and paste it like I did here. It is limited to 500 characters. Using this drop-down, you can choose a language or an English accent. I'll leave it to the default US English. And in this section, you'll find many different options of male and female voices to choose from. So let me scroll back up, and then I'll choose Dylan. You can click this play button by hovering your mouse over it to listen to the voice. You can click this drop down and choose a different style. This particular one has only 2 options, but there are others that have much more options. So I'll go with conversation style and then click this play button below. It'll then start generating the voiceover. Now, it can take a few minutes depending on if there are others ahead of you. This one took less than a minute. You can then click this play button again to preview the text-to-speech voiceover it generated based on your text. You can then click this download button to download the voiceover to your computer. You may see this pop up to share on social media. You can then close it and then click the download button again. And here is my downloaded voiceover. I'm using Firefox here, but it'll be similar if you're using Google Chrome. You can try PopPopAI for free. You'll find the link in the description section. And now let me play a couple of sample voices that I generated using PopPopAI.
Hey guys, Anthony here. I want to introduce to you an online text-to-speech tool from PopPopAI. You can generate voiceovers in different languages and accents. It has male and female voices. In fact, this voiceover was generated using this text-to-speech too. It is free to use, and you can check the link in the description section to try it yourself. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching.
Also, here is another example of a female text-to-speech voice. This female voice is of Beatrice, which is from the US English options. You can try PopPopAI for free. Check the link in the description section. Also, if you want to learn how to create talking photos like the one you are seeing, check the tutorial at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.